General Hospital star Sonya Eddy has passed away at age 55 years old. This sent shockwave through the entire social media and also the entertainment fraternity. Hi again and welcome, this is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Sonya Eddy, a veteran actress best known for her performance role as a nurse Epiphany Johnson on the soap opera General Hospital, has passed away at age 55 years old, the show has announced in a tribute post. Sonya Eddy passed away earlier this week after experiencing complication of a non-emergency surgery, a close friend of the General Hospital told reporters. According to a report, the 55-year-old actress went in for a pre-scheduled procedure on December the 9th and was released on December the 11th. However, the soap opera star began to feel ill and was returned to the hospital on December the 15th. Doctors then discovered that the TV star had developed an infection that became uncontainable. By Monday of this week, she was placed on life support and later passed away on Monday night. Sonya had also appeared in several TV shows since the mid-90s, with credit including Murphy Brown, Steinfeld, ER, Facility, Fresh Off the Boat and Pen 15. She also played small parts in various films over her illustrious career, including Pitch Adams, Matchstick Men, and also other shows. Sonya began her time on General Hospital in 2006 and appeared in nearly 550 episodes of the long-running soap. A number of her fans took to social media just in order to express condolences to her family, and also other actresses and actors also took to social media expressing their great shock about her sudden passing. Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to her family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching.
Hello, everyone. Hope you're finding peace and staying healthy. I was thinking about this over the holiday. I think most of us were. And honestly, if this is coming as a surprise to you, then you are not paying attention. We are struggling again. We are straining our healthcare workers again. We are putting those at risk whose entire lives are dedicated to protecting ours. And not only is there a nursing shortage, but I read this week that the nurses we do have on the front lines are actually being asked to come into work even if they are infected with COVID-19. No one, and I mean no one, should be asked to work if they are infected with the virus that has killed over 840,000 Americans, especially those who are trying to heal those who are already sick. And it comes down to this: we need more nurses. Not only do we have to give the nurses who fight for us every day a break, but we need to create a new foundation of nurses who are going to be the ones who help and heal our kids, our parents, our friends. Hell, even us. There is a foundation that's already doing this work, already has a scholarship fund to send more people to nursing school, and I want to help them do it. And you know what? We're going to raise $500,000. That's right. We're going to get more people to nursing school so we can create a new generation of nurses and finally give the nurses we already have a well deserved break. They've got a GoFundMe already set up. So whatever you've got, 5, 10, 20, $100, whatever you spend on a cup of coffee in the morning, send it here today instead. We need more nurses, but you already knew that. Let's get this done.